Cakewalk is a free digital audio workstation that's been around for a while, but is it really the best choice for music production today? Let's dive into what this software offers and see if it deserves a spot on your computer. Cakewalk, previously known as Sonar, is a full-featured DAW that caters to both beginners and experienced musicians. Right off the bat, the interface feels familiar and user-friendly, which is a big plus for newcomers. You get a range of powerful tools for recording, editing, and mixing your tracks, and it supports VST plugins, which is essential for expanding your sound palette. One standout feature is the integrated audio and MIDI recording capabilities, allowing you to layer sounds seamlessly. The software also boasts a range of built-in instruments and effects, which can be a great starting point for those who may not have a lot of external gear. However, some users might find the initial setup a bit cumbersome, especially if they're not tech savvy. While Cakewalk shines in many areas, it can feel a bit overwhelming with its numerous features, and some aspects aren't as intuitive as they could be. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to create music on a budget. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Cakewalk is completely free, which is a huge draw for many. It offers professional-grade features typically found in paid software, and the ability to utilize VST plugins is a big win for customization. However, there are some drawbacks. The learning curve can be steep for beginners, and while the interface is packed with features, some might find it cluttered. Additionally, since it's Windows only, Mac users will need to look elsewhere. There's also a lack of consistent updates, which raises some concerns about long-term support and reliability. Overall, while Cakewalk is fantastic for those who want a free option with depth, it might not be the best fit for casual users or those on a Mac. In conclusion, Cakewalk is an excellent free DAW for anyone serious about music production, especially if you're on Windows. However, if you're a beginner looking for something straightforward or a Mac user, you might want to explore other options. It's worth trying, but just keep your expectations in check regarding ease of use.